How are the hood struts from Redline Tuning on my Jeep Gladiator doing? Am I still happy with them? Well, good morning everybody and welcome back to the channel. So how are these hood struts doing? You know, I've had them on the Jeep here for probably, I don't know, maybe a month and a half, 2 months, something like that. And I know there are a lot of people out there who don't get underneath the hood of their Jeep, right? But I'm not one of them. I'm under here all the time looking at the cold air intake that I put on, or checking fluids, or just looking at the gorgeous motor underneath the hood here. So anyway, I put these hood struts on probably, like I said, about a month and a half ago. Pretty easy install, and one thing I will say, for the Jeep Gladiator, it's a bolt-on. There are no holes that need to be drilled or anything like that. You have brackets that fit in right here and right down here, and they bolt on to existing bolt-on points. And on the bottom, you actually reuse the bolts that are already on the Jeep. On the top, it does come with the hardware that you need to be able to bolt into the hood. There's little slots there. There's an install video on it. I'll link that in the channel if you guys want to check that out, down there in the description. But they're pretty simple to put on. And I got to tell you, it is just awesome when you go out to get under the hood to just be able to do this. I mean, I don't have to screw with this stupid holder up here anytime I'm getting under the hood. And I don't know about you guys, but every time I take that holder out of its bracket up here, there's a creak and a crack, like it's going to break. I can't believe that those things hold up very long. Matter of fact, I would be shocked if that's not a common problem, only because they do creak and crack so much when you actually take that little holder out of the hood. So it's just not good, I don't think. So this alleviates that. Makes the hood simple to put up and down, and it's plenty high enough. You guys can see where it is there. If I'm under here doing something, I don't have the hood down low so that it's in my way or anything. So I'm very happy with it. Haven't had any issues with them. Price-wise, right around $100 or so. I'll leave a link down below for these as well. And just a simple install. Couldn't ask for it to be any easier. And definitely a one-man job. Don't need any other help to do this, really. So anyway, I just kind of wanted to get on here, show these to you guys, give you a little update as to how they're doing for me. I highly recommend these. I actually have them on all three of our vehicles here, both the Gladiator, Krista's Wrangler, and also on my Toyota Tacoma out there. Now I will mention, on the Tacoma, you do have to drill a few holes. I think there's actually 8 holes, I believe, you have to drill. 2 down on each side and 2 up in the hood. That you have to be real careful doing. So if you happen to have a Tacoma and you're looking to do that, just beware. It's not a fully bolt-on application for the Tacoma. You do have to drill. So anyway, leave a comment down below. Let me know if you have these struts, what you think of them. Are they working out well for you? Do you like them? Have you had any problems? Also, little plug here. If you're interested and you haven't before, check out my other channel. It is Rob Motive, all about my 2020 Toyota Tacoma. And don't forget to click that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. Bye.